You're wondering.
Welcome back, you guys. I actually have a Fashom box. I have been wanting to do unboxings again because it was something that I loved and something that I enjoyed, and I just think it's so fun to get boxes of clothes. I used to do unboxings before, but I stopped because of, it was like really costly and I kept spending way too much money on boxes. So I just like completely stopped it for a while. Then I gained weight, so I was like, I don't want to buy any more boxes until I lose some weight. I haven't really succeeded very much, only like 4 pounds under since then, but I was like, it's about time for me to get some clothes again because summer and spring is coming, so I just wanted to spruce up my wardrobe a little bit. Fashom has reached out to me before, but they only had the app then, and I had no storage on my phone. And then they reached out to me again recently, and I finally got a new phone so I could download like extra apps. Now I have storage. So I'm pretty excited. So it's very new to me and I really don't know everything about it yet. I do know that it's $15 a month for the styling fee, and that does go towards whatever you keep. And also I know that if you keep 3 items, it's 25% off. Instead of like if you buy all, you get a percentage. So it's 3 for 25% off. And I think they're starting something, it's 5. If you pick 5, it's 30% off. So I gotta really look into that, but I did see people say that. But when I read online, I didn't see that yet. They are different from other boxes that I got. So this one does show you like what you're gonna get. So it gives you like 7 items to choose out of, and you get 2 days to choose 5 out of that 7. And if you don't, then they just send you whatever they wanna send you of the 5 items. Once you get the box, you get 3 days to take everything back. So let me see, this is my bundle. I already seen like what was on there, and I did ask for dresses because summer's coming. So here's the mailer. This is for whatever you don't want, you can get back, or if you want to exchange something, it's still free shipping. And it comes with this. It says, "Hello, beautiful," which is super cute. Everybody wants to hear that they're beautiful. It's like a little thank you note. So this is my first time ever getting this, so I want to open it and I want to look at it. So this is the invoice. And then it comes with this. Oh yeah, I heard that they do give $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. So I love that they give back. I have a dog too, and I rescued all of my animals. My 2 cats and my dog was a rescue, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see what they gave me. I mean, like I said, I already seen it, but everything looks different when you see things in person, right? And I do want to say that even if I did like everything, I can't buy everything because I just don't have the money right now. This might be a little bit personal, but me and my husband get like a certain amount a month of personal money. That's what we try to do, like the cash thing. We're only on one income, so it's my husband's income. And then I do like little things like on the side or whatever, but so whatever I get, it's not much, so I have to really think like, what am I gonna get, and probably get 1 or 2 things, and that's it for now. I forgot to tell you guys, if you guys wanna try this box out, and if you use my link, you get $10 and I get $10, so I get a credit for whoever uses my link and keeps something, so that's pretty awesome. So here's the first one. This is from Naked Zebra. And let me see what type of material. I noticed people want to know like what type of material it is. So let's see. It's 100% polyester. It's soft, it's flowy, and it's cute. I just don't wear this type of like bright pink all at once on the top. I don't know how it's gonna look when it's on. Okay, so when it comes to jeans, it's really hard for me to find jeans because they're always high waters, or they don't fit my stomach, but they fit this part. It's because, I had a baby, so I still have that pouch and my body's just not the way it used to be. So when it comes to jeans, it's really hard. But I can see that these are like stretchy, which I really do need. And this is Just USA, designed in Los Angeles. It's size 8. So let me see, there's skinny jeans. I do like the color. I love this type of color when it comes to jeans, and the little bit of distress. It's not too much, because when I have it too much, I notice that I rip it with my knees when I'm sitting down or getting up. So that's cool. So I can't wait to try that on. Next is a dress. I do like this color. It's actually very pretty. It looked brighter in the picture than it does in person. I really love it. Let me show you guys. It has some white and blue flowers. I really like it. It's long. It's a maxi dress. I love maxi dresses. So here's the back of it. I like clothes that accentuate my waist a little bit because it just makes you look a little more slimmer than what you really are. And that's what I like, is to look a little slimmer than what I am. So this is from Andre by Unit. We'll see how long it goes. I really don't have that problem with maxi dresses because I'm tall, I'm 5'8". This is really cute. I really like the print on this one. It's a romper, and this romper is from Paper Moon. This is really hard. When it comes to rompers, it is so hard for me because, like I said, I feel like if my body is not the way it used to be, and you know, I have like my baby pouch, and I have, you know, like some extra stuff on my hips a little bit. So this is something that's really hard when it comes to rompers. Very hard. I think I've only bought one romper ever that did fit me. So this is cute. I love the material. It's very stretchy. It's soft. I forgot to see what size they are. In size medium. So we're gonna try that out. Oh, and the dress is size large, just to let you guys know. And then here's this other dress, which I really liked. When I first seen the picture, I really liked the way the cut was here, and it has like a little slit on the side, which I really love that when it comes to maxi dresses. And this is from MTS. This is a large. Here's the dress. I love like these little cuts right here. It's super cute. And let me see, where's the slit? See, it has a little slit. I love that. It's so cute. I have 2 birthday parties I'm going to this weekend. So hopefully one of them fit me and I could wear it there. And I forgot to tell you guys the price. I'll tell you after I try everything on how much it was. And here's the pants. So they're mid-rise. I can't wear low-rise and high-rise because of my stomach. But here's the pants. They're cute though. Pants are cute. They're very comfy. And I love this here, like the little wash look and the little, you know, like distress. The only thing is, you guys can't see from there, is this is the problem I always have right here. It never goes all the way down because I'm taller, so that's how pants fit me, and that's usually how I wear them because it's really hard for me to find pants that, you know, they're gonna fit me good. But the shirt is really cute. I love the fit of the shirt. It's like a high-low kind of thing, you guys can see here. Oh my God, you guys don't know how much I'm in love with this dress. I just love the fit. It fits me perfectly. I'll show you like the length too, but right here, I love what it does to my waist. It makes me look like I have more of a waist than I do right here. I just love it. And this fabric is so soft. I just love it. I love the way it fits. I have some heels on right now. I'm like literally 5'11" right now with these heels, but they look cute with the heels. It's perfect length. I just love it. It's not all the way to the floor. Okay, so here's this dress. It is pretty. It's just a really tight. I feel like for me, I might need to go one size up. I do love this right here. I don't know what this is called, but I just love this like crisscross little detail right here. You know, I like things that are going to, you know, make me look like I have a waist, of course, but you guys can see it is kind of tight. Let me show you guys the back if I can. Hopefully I can show you the back. I don't know if you guys can see good or not. Hopefully you guys can. And then let me show you down here. Now this is what I do like right here. I love this detail right here. Super cute. The only thing, you can see my pooch right here a little more with this dress. That's the only thing I can say. I do really like it though. It is a nice print, and I love this top of the area, or maybe I could just get a different size. I forgot trying on clothes is actually makes you pretty out of breath. Okay, so right here, I really like this. I really like this top part. I love this detail in the shoulders. I just don't know about the print. The print is pretty, but it's not really something that I wear. But it is cute and it's really, really comfy. Like when I first saw this, I just thought, I'll get it, but I don't think it's gonna, you know, like it's gonna fit me at all. I really don't wear shorts much because I don't like, I have some cellulite and stuff, you know, and then you can see my pooch area a little bit, but it kind of hides it. This right here hides it just a little bit. So here's the romper, which I do like the fit, is nice, and it's super, super comfy. Seriously, I had to get a snack right now because trying on clothes made me so hot and like winded. It's really hot today though. And I know that people have said before to me, you can buy this stuff anywhere else. You could go anywhere and try on clothes for cheaper and all this stuff. And I totally get that, but I really like doing unboxings. It's just really fun to me. And I love the idea of a personal stylist styling me and picking out pieces that I definitely would have never picked out for myself. I have the invoice here with all the prices, and she left me a really cute note. And Malls, you seriously did so good. I really think that everything you picked out was really nice. And now I just need to figure out what am I gonna keep and what am I gonna send back. The naked zebra shirt, I love the style. I really love the way it fit me. I'm just not that crazy about the color. I really do think the color is pretty. I just don't know like how it, you know, how I like it like on myself. I would love to see if you guys had a different color in this one for sure. And this shirt was $44. Now for the romper, looks is very deceiving because at first when I seen it, I did not think I was gonna like it on myself, but I did. I actually ended up liking it, and the fabric, I just love this fabric. I would love to find a romper in this type of fabric. I just love it, it's super comfy. This romper is called Paper Moon Lillian Floral, and my name is Lillian, so I just thought that was cool. Maybe that's a sign that I need to buy it, I don't know. But this romper is $35, which is not that bad, to be honest, because it's a full outfit. The skinny jeans are $40. They are very comfortable. I love the color, I love the style. It just doesn't fit, you know, like long wise. Like I said, it's really hard when it comes to pants. So this one I will not be getting. That always happens to me with pants. It's really hard. I have to try on so many things. You guys heard my kids? They're just playing. I have to go to stores and try on, and I literally come back with nothing. I leave the store with nothing at all. So pants are always hard for me. I love this dress so much. You guys have no idea how much I love this dress. I love the slit. Right here, the two slits. This is like my kind of dress. I just think it's really cute. It's not too much. It's kind of like classy, sexy when you have a little bit of slit. It's not like all the way up. So I really love that. And I love the top here too, the same thing. It still covers up, but it's really cute, you know, for spring and for summer. Like I said, it fit me perfect here, but my stomach area, the pouch area, I told you guys before, it's hard for me to find things to fit me all together at once that are tight because of, you know, my baby pouch. But I don't know what to do with this. I really want it. I don't know if I should size up. This is a size large though, so I would have to size up to an extra large. I don't know what to do. What do you guys think about this? I don't know if I should keep the size and see if I'm going to lose weight to fit it or just go up a size. I don't know if I told you guys how much it is, but it's $44 for the dress. Now the last dress, I love this one too. I think that this is something I could wear spring, summer, and fall. Well, this one would be like summer nights. If I go to the beach in the night, then I could wear this one for sure. And it's definitely a fall color. I'm not one to only wear certain colors in certain seasons. I do like all clothing. I mean, it can't be like a big old sweater. I'm gonna be all hot. But when it comes to colors, it's okay. I'll wear any color, any season, to be honest. And I really love this dress. So if anything, I will definitely get this one for sure because the fit was completely perfect on me. And this dress was $38. So the total for the whole box was $199, and then you get 30% off, so that takes off $59.70. So it'll come out to $139.30, which is not that bad for the whole box. For sure, I'm keeping this one. And I don't know about this one yet. I really love it, but I'll let you guys know like what I keep. And remember, if you guys do want to try it, you guys do get $10 off, and then I get $10. That's only if you guys keep it. So we both get something, and I'll put that down in the description box below. I am gonna have more unboxings on my channel now because it's just something that I enjoyed that I wanted to get back into. So I can't wait for my next boxes. I have 2 more boxes coming. They're not clothing, so I'm gonna share that with you guys too. On my channel, I do unboxings, I do cleaning, I do what we had for dinner like once a week, and I do other little like things here and there like DIYs or vlogs, and then I do grocery hauls. And now I'll be doing some unboxings again. My channel is really just like a lifestyle channel. It's just about me being a housewife and the things that, you know, I like and that I enjoy doing, and the things I do as a housewife. Go ahead and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.